Tell you what I'm going to use in this project. Okay, so this is my again fox leather bag, tote bag I have, and you can use any kind of fabric bag. Okay, so and I'm having my synthetic brush and Brick Deco Magic, okay, which is again from Itsy Bitsy, and it's an amazing product. Okay, because only for you don't need any glue. It's a varnish plus it's a Deco Magic. Okay, so you have to just seal it after that, and it's wipeable. Okay, no need to like it's a permanent. Okay, and this is the water base instructions are there. So this is the water base varnish, and okay, so you have to apply with top coat as a sealer. We have to use as a sealer as well, and you can use as a glue as well. Okay, and my synthetic brush, and I'm going to use my, see, you can use the chalk paints as well, but the many people what they do or what they have, these colors are easily available. Maybe many people they don't have the the chalk paints, and chalk paints come little bit costly, and it came only the 20 or 25 rupees. So these two bottles I have, the which one is green and this is blue. Okay, so we are going to mix our two colors, and we are get started. Firstly, what you need to do, you have to take your paper. Okay, and this is my filament paper from Itsy Bitsy. Okay, it comes in it's the cost is 135 rupees, sorry, 169 rupees MRP, but I got in sale, so it was in 135. Okay, this is the beautiful print which we are going to work with this, and we are going to work on our second second side as well. So this is our paper. Okay, and this is my paper. Okay, so what you need to do, because there you can see the lots of elements already we have it. So I just want all the things should be come. Okay, so how I'll do it, just see. Okay, so this is the element which we are going to place here. Okay, even you can adjust according to your choice, or you can use like this. Okay, I'm going to use like this. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to take your stick of magic. You have to take Deco Magic on paper and apply it very well. Okay. And you have to apply the Deco Magic very well on paper. Okay, so don't worry, and we will seal it so it is washable as well. Washable, I mean that, like, you don't need to like just put in the washing machine and just you can just dab it in the water. Okay, nothing else, you have to just gently wash. So I have done my glue. Please do it glue everywhere. Okay, and I'm using my synthetic brush for applying my glue. Okay, so now what you need to do, you have to stick your paper like this. Okay, and just crease it. And make sure your it should be everywhere. Okay, now I am taking my white cloth, just press it. Okay? Or if you have the like crease or bone folder, or you can work with the same. Okay, and it's not going to come once it will stick properly. Okay, it's coming because the glue is not there. Okay, so make sure the glue should be there. Okay, all corner have the glue, and you can see that there is not any wrinkle. Okay, like if you want more like gloss kind of things, so a varnish, any kind of varnish code as well. So this is thing. And once it will dry, nothing is going to come out. So please make sure about the edges. Okay, just you have to crease it very well. Okay, and we are going to seal it as well. Just press it, and if you have like just if you have like I am having the packing of this paper, then what I can do, just place it. If you are thinking that any kind of wrinkle is there, so but the paper quality is that like you will not feel any kind of wrinkle on this paper. This is the best quality of this paper. Okay, and I love this paper also. Okay, so now what you need to do, I'm going to work with my green and blue fabric color. Okay.